everybody, welcome back to Santa's Workshop, and today we got another vehicle for you. It's a scooter this time. I figure a scooter would be a little bit safer for me, but I'm still not going to ride it. We got Danette for that. Hey, Day.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
So you're going to be my guinea pig again?
It's the past 35 years of my life, Dad.
You are not 35. No, I refuse to believe that. If she's 35, that makes me, never mind. But let's open this thing up and see what we got.
Santa is ageless, right?
That's right. Do I look a little more Santa-y today?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Just a little bit. Almost there.
Almost there. That's the story of my life, almost there. All right. Let's see what all we got. Okay.
I'm scared that this is in so many pieces.
Nah. That's why we have a toolbox.
That's true.
Got one box there. We got one box there. How many more? Have a tire.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, it's got purple on it.
Ooh. Piper would be happy.
She would. Or they would.
Oh,
Yeah.
check out that seat. That's feel of that thing. That is cushy. All right. Just throw that off the front. There you go.
I heard metal.
I heard something rattle.
Yep. Does it have a basket?
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh, check out the seat on this thing. What?
I need a little schnauzer dog, and I can be the Wicked Witch of the West for Halloween.
Modern version. When you're out test driving this, I'll be looking for tornadoes.
There you go. There we go.
Okay.
It came with tools.
Yay!
Hey, Dad. It could almost be mounted.
Box head.
Well, that is cute.
What you got?
I like that. It's the picture.
That's a really big
That's
basket
what
for it
it's supposed
too,
to
isn't
look
it?
like, yeah.
You know what I thought about using this for? Me and Brian are going to go to a swap meet next weekend. I want to tool around the swap meet on this. What?
There you go. Yeah, no,
She's laughing at me.
Nope. It just looks really small. And I was imagining you, like, you know the clowns on the little tricycles?
Okay. Anything around me looks very small.
I know.
The Corvette looks very small.
Yeah. It's true.
All right. Did you find instructions?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Well, no, this says user manual.
Oh,
That doesn't
user manual.
necessarily mean instructions. Oh, assembly and setup, page 6.
Well, there you go. Welcome back, my old foe. But look, this one has a lock.
That's important.
So you pull up on that. I'm going to turn that where the camera can see it. you pull up to
And
unlock
then
it.
Yeah,
And it don't come undone. I like that.
I like that too. I'm liking the magnification on that headlight. Did you see that?
No, not yet.
Looks like a crystal ball.
Oh, wow. That's a lot that'll reach out there and touch someone.
Indeed.
Okay. Assembly and setup. Unfold the scooter. Open the folding lock. Attach the handlebars. There's my other bolt for that. All right. Here's the locking assembly for the handlebars. Let's see here. That would be the front way, I would think.
I would think so. It's got your little grippy area there.
Yep.
For you to put that in.
Or do I need to do it like so?
I liked it the other way.
Yeah. Yes, I've taught her how to mechanic. Oh, it has a thumb trigger instead of the little twist thing.
I like that.
I like that a lot. See, it looks about right there, doesn't it?
You need to scoot it that way.
Well, I know that, but I'm talking about
Well,
the
I mean,
twist on the handles.
You said, does that look right? So.
And let's see what all tools they sent us. We got the screws to put the seat on and the baggage area. We got our wrenches, and we've got our Allen keys.
Gotta charge this puppy.
Are you sure?
I don't know. I'm just saying it's got a charger.
Well, so far, every time I've received one of these, it's had a charge to it.
We'll see. As long as I'm not running away from a charging cow on it and it decides to die on me.
Well, just don't go in the pasture.
You know as well as I do that they're not always in the pasture.
Out here, they're not. All right. Hang on one second. All right. Now then, we get to do the front tire. Oop. Okay, okay. Kind of keep this thing from falling on me.
But I found bubble wrap.
You found bubble wrap. Oh my goodness, now I know where your daughters get it from. Okay.
You're warming up my fingers.
Well, this thing here just, there it goes. There it goes. Why are we not going toward the front with this thing? Okay, hold that thing up there for a second. I'll be right back.
see what you need to do.
Okay. There we go.
Yep.
Now then. Get that bolt
Ruby?
right through there. Okay, knock it on through. There it goes. There it is. Whew, let's tighten it up. 16. Okay. Feel tight on your side?
Well, yeah.
Crank it.
Yeah, I can't.
Okay.
You're the one who tightened that down.
Yeah, I can't move it. Quitter. You know what? I think I'm gonna let that sit on that box while we put together the rest of it.
Love it.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
I like it.
You loosen it, pull that, then you got your adjustments.
So you have that, that, and that, and then this little puppy right there latches.
Okay.
And then once you unlatch that, you move your fingers quickly.
All right. Sort of like that.
Yes.
That's neat. I like that. But you got to have something to do that with, or it's going to bite you.
Yep.
Okay. Grab my base. And while do you want the joy of peeling off the plastic?
Yes. I can't see it.
It's right here, right there on top.
Okay.
Peel off the plastic. There's just something so satisfying about that.
It's just really great.
And there she is, being picky. There is a fingerprint on the screen.
I just pulled the plastic off.
I know, so you must have touched it.
I did not.
I think she did.
We got it on film. You can see if I touched that or not.
How do you know it was above your eyesight?
Because I took that and I just did this. There is no way. Literally no way.
Okay, sit on there. Let's get everything set for you. Need a little lower. You want me to drop that down a little for you? You want to be able to put your feet down on the ground easy.
I can put my feet down on the ground easy.
Does that feel comfortable for you, though?
That's better.
Okay, steering wheel feels about right.
Yep.
Hit your brakes. That feel good?
Yep.
Hit your bell. There you go. Let's turn it. Well, there's the assembly on the Hiboy.
There it is.
ECOM 14. Kick up that stand.
Did I get it? I got it.
Have at it.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, well, it's going to be a lot different than the bike.
All right. After you.
Okay. Whee! Okay, that's better. Not having something in front of me for me to run into is preferred. Whee!
Yes, she is my brave one.
Da, 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 da. I'm riding a scooter. Whee! Do-do-do. You know, I was thinking, I feel like the Wicked Witch of the West basket is in the front. Isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Yeah. Still feel like I could pull it off with this, though. Whee! My face is getting so cold. Oh, look at you, my pretty, and your big old dogs, too. Let me fix this. There.
Okay, what'd you think about it?
It's really fun.
Is it fun?
It is, yeah.
Quite a bit of power, wasn't it?
A lot, yeah.
I noticed the back tire was low.
Yeah.
I think you've already picked up an L. So I get to fix a flat on it. Yay! But that's what you get for driving around the shop.
I don't think anybody knows how many nails I pick up. I pick up at least 10 a year.
About 10 a year?
Yeah.
Car tires?
Yes.
Everything else?
Yeah.
It's those kids.
Have you seen one of those 10 penny nails?
Yes.
I had one of those in my tire once.
Oh my.
Yeah, don't know where I got that from.
I saw somebody drive over a railroad spike.
Yay.
It went through the wheel itself.
I believe that.
Yeah. It was bad. All right, so the Hiboy ECOM 14. What do you think?
I think I need something to put in my basket.
You need something to put in your basket.
Yeah. Right?
Oh, we're just going to have to fix that tire so you can go shopping.
I think so.
All right. Well, thank you, Day.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
But y'all, thank you so much for joining me on this. Hope you like it. Santa approves. Christmas time's a coming. And I just hit her. And there she goes. Thank y'all so much. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.